Hello, my name's Anita Foster. I'm the Library and Media Specialist at Autry Middle School in Kennesaw, Georgia, and today we're going to learn about Flipgrid. So I heard that 7th grade science has a project, and one of your options to do is to use Flipgrid to talk about your cells, like in a report or a podcast type way. So I wanted just to log in real quick and show you how to do it. Now, all I've done so far is clicked on the link that Ms. Thompson has sent me, and I'm going to click Join with Microsoft. I'm going to have to log in with my school account, and it's taking me to sign in, and then I'm signed in. So now all I have to do is click Record a Response. So she has a rubric for you to go by. I don't have that rubric, but I just want to show you some of the cool, easy things that you can do. So I'm just going to click Record a Response. Well, they say the 3rd time's a charm. Now I'm going on about the 10th time, so this one should really work, okay? So what has happened is it's not letting me record 2 videos at the same time in Flipgrid and in the software that I use to record my videos to show you guys how to do it. So I have taken screenshots, and in this screenshot you will see that I have clicked on Miss Thompson, this project right here, and I clicked Record a Response. The first screen that'll come up is this one. And I just want to show you that the options right here, you can click Upload a Clip. So that means that you've already recorded something and it's on your computer and you're going to upload it. You can mirror the video, so that means you can flip it. You can mute the audio, or you can record your screen. Or if you don't do any of these and you just hit record, it's going to use the camera that's embedded into your phone or into your laptop to record the video. The next one is effects. So if I click on this effects button, now here Ms. Foster gets on her soapbox a little. So remember when I taught you about PowerPoint and I taught you about Sway, and I talked about how you need to get your content in there first because that's what you're going to be graded on. And then you add all of the cute and fun stuff into it. But remember when I taught you about PowerPoint and I even said, would I do a candy background if my project wasn't about candy? No, because that detracts from what my project is. Would I put a zooming car in there just because I can? No, because that detracts from the message that I'm giving in my video or in my presentation. Same thing goes here. I would not add something in here just because it's cool and it's fun just to add it in. It needs to complement your project and not detract from it or not take away from it. So here's what the filters looks like this, and it changes the color of your screen. I would not use any of these filters. I mean, they even have one over here that's pixelated and another one, and y'all just ignore the bell because it's ringing here and not for you guys. And a Lego one. I would not do those, okay? The next thing, option that I have is frames. So there's only one frame on here that I would use, and it's the news one right here. I might click on news if I'm making a news broadcast or reporting. I might click on that because that might add to and complement my presentation or my video. The next thing is I'm going to hit the record button. So back here you saw this camera right here. Once I'm ready, I'm going to hit record. Actually, I'm going to go back a little. The other things that I need to talk to you about is emojis. I would not use an emoji because I'm turning this in for a grade. Text, I could click on text and I can put my title on there if I'd like. If I want to, I can draw on here. I have a board that I can write on, or this one I would use. If I have a photo of my cell, I can import it into here and show that. So that one I would use. All right, now I'm going to fast forward past the other stuff. All right, so I clicked on that red camera and that records it while I'm recording. If I don't like it and I mess up, I can hit redo. I can also add in my options and effects here. When I'm done, I hit this pause button and then I hit the next button. On the next screen, I'm going to skip that. It asked me, okay, to take a selfie. I think it's actually over here. It tells me to take a selfie because that's what everybody's going to see. So when you go to take your selfie, you can mirror your selfie. You can have effects in here and add some effects in, and then here's where you take your picture. If you don't like your picture, you can redo your selfie, and that's okay. But once you have one in here that you like, you can hit confirm. Then on this last one, you're going to type in, well, it automatically, if you're going through Microsoft Office 365, it's going to put your first name and your and last name's initial. I added third period in here. Your teachers may want that in here. I don't know if they have a link for each class or if they have everybody at one time. So if this isn't everybody at one time and all other classes are in here, they may ask you to put your class period in here, and that's fine. If you link to an article, you can put the link here. That would be citing your source. And then you can title it. All right. And like I said, you can take the selfie here. You can select an image from your video, or you can upload a photo, any of those. And then I'm going to hit that submit button right here. Once you do that, you're good to go.